Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your IP address in Windows 11. So all you have to do, just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard, and you want to simple type in settings, right? So if you type in settings, it's gonna take you into your system settings, and from here on the left hand side, click on network and internet. Now from here, you want to choose whether Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on how you're connected to the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're connected by a cable, you click on this option that says Ethernet as well. Now I'm going to click on Wi-Fi because I'm connected by Wi-Fi. Now once you click on that, all you have to do is just simply click on that network that you're connected to get more details. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you want to look for IPv4, right? And once you find the IPv4, this is going to show you your IP address. And that's it, guys. That's how you find your IP address on Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.